Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we're taking a look at the 9-inch mini wok by Lodge. The mini wok is made of cast iron. It is 9 inches diameter on the inside of the bowl and about 9 1/8 inches on the outside diameter. The height is 3 inches. From exterior handle edge to exterior handle edge is 11 3/8 inches, and it weighs 4.6 pounds. The mini wok is more bowl shaped than the traditional wok. We purchased the mini wok because it's just Bill and I. We thought it would be great for taking along camping. We could use it over a campfire as well as over any stove. It isn't too heavy, but it's certainly durable. We're not going to hurt it in travel, and it's small, so it should be easy to pack. The mini wok comes pre-seasoned and ready to use, and the cooking surface has a slight texture to it. And we'll put in some green onions. Put in our okra. This is okra we grew in our garden. Most of it's been frozen, so we were ready to use it, except for the ones I picked this morning. And we found when stir frying the okra, they're not nearly so slimy. There are a couple of other cast iron woks available on Amazon that are worth mentioning. Lodge makes another one that is 14 inches in diameter, and it has more slopey sides. It is less bowl shaped than this mini wok. There's also a 12-inch wok by Jim Beam that has more slopey sides in true wok style. Things that we like about the mini wok are its small size, its 2-loop handles, and it has a relatively large flat bottom, so it should make it easier to use on flat surfaces. The only concern I have about the mini wok is its size. It is relatively small, so you have to be really careful when you're cooking inside of it that you could easily slosh stuff out. Even for Bill and I really like a 10-inch pan, so this is just a little bit on the smaller side. It is a little deeper, so that does help. Down in the comments below, let us know what you think about the mini wok. Thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.